Listen to me. Listen to me well. SFPD, the profilers for the FBI, whoever you are, man. I don't know what kind of little intimidation or test you're running. Hey, but you just sped past me at a high rate of speed on a narrow street as I was crossing without your lights on. And you hit your sirens, you know, only as you were approaching behind me, and of course to alert me or to shock me or to startle me. But when I turned the corner and looked for the activity that you seem to be in such a hot pursuit to go and get to, there's no activity. The only activity and the only emergency at hand seemed to be when you passed by me. So I'm gonna walk up to Market Street. I'm gonna go out my way because this wasn't the way I was going to get to where I'm going. And I'm gonna see what you up here on the sidewalk for, in the same area that you seem to have a problem. Oh, you gonna leave now? Oh, why you leaving, Gomer? Why you leaving now, Gomer? Don't leave now, you little scary son of a bitch. Don't leave now, you little scary pussy cat. Yeah, look, they leaving now. Cause you know why? You know why these motherfuckers? Look at these motherfuckers, you cocksucking faggot motherfuckers. Look, so as soon as I hit the corner, look, these some pussies. Y'all some pussies. I wasn't even gonna fuck with y'all tonight. Well, maybe I was, but y'all really gonna get fucked with though. And I'm talking about I'm gonna drop the word against you, man. All right, I'm gonna drop the word against you and put your motherfucking ass to work, okay? All right. You see, I didn't even call for whoever that brother you guys, your brother in blue, whoever he was that got ran over, the one that got shot, okay? I never called the Most High up and said, hey, give these guys none of that. Nope. Guess what? I realized that when vengeance ain't in my heart, but I turn it over to him, what you end up getting is way worse than what I could have ever thought about. And it don't even make me happy to see my enemies fall. But I am very, very consoled to know that the Most High is a righteous judge. All right, so now y'all know what did happen. Just like on Saturday night, I wasn't trying to pick no fight with GMS. Just came out because I hadn't been out downtown in a while. All right? I hadn't been downtown in a while. Hadn't been out visiting the camp in a while, I suppose. The Most High gave me that window to go through. Yep, he wanted me to cut you, because that's all that happened. Is I just cut the hell out you guys for your pride, man. And I don't know where you get this stuff from. I mean, like, really, do you guys really seriously believe and think these things that you call doctrine when you stand and declare that a person needs to repent and accept a rebuke for not speaking correctly according to the doctrine? But that was never the doctrine all along once a person go and research the doctrine, like I did when I went and researched Genesis for Jacob and his wives and saw that Joseph, okay, was with Bilhah and Zilpah, the sons of Bilhah and Zilpah, who were who? His father's wives. Cut the hell out you people, man. Y'all some chumps. Because y'all going up against Yahweh Shai. Y'all going up against the elect, man. You'll never win against us. Never, man. The kingdom is ours. We're going to take it from you chumps. We're taking all of it back and some, all right? So just get your ass ready. Because it's going to be some more, you punks. Praise the Most High. forever and ever, who's given us this strength and this power into the battle. Aman. Basham Yahushua. Basham Kodash Baruch. Allah Shadaya. Baruch Aman. Aman and Aman. Khan. Salutations, Yasharallah.